Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Apple has just released iOS 16.0.2 build number 2A380 for all compatible iPhone models. This is a small sized but very important first update that fixes many annoying iOS 16.0 bugs and errors. According to Apple's release notes, the update contains the following fixes. Camera may vibrate and cause blurry photos when shooting with some third-party apps on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Next issue is copy and paste between apps may cause a permission prompt to appear more than expected. Display may appear completely black during device setup. VoiceOver may be unavailable after rebooting. Addresses an issue where touch input was unresponsive on some iPhone X, iPhone XR and iPhone 11 displays after being serviced. The new iOS 16.0.2 OTA update can be downloaded easily on supported phones. To update, simply navigate to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and check for the update pop-up. Note that the update is 352.7 MB in size, so make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi first in case you are on a major data plan. The update may also be rolled out in phases, so do not panic if you don't see it once. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.